Okay, guys, welcome back. We have another question here, right, from my student, my Sec 4 student. Yeah, when 42.0 gram of sodium hydrogen carbonate, yeah, formula is NaHCO3, was strongly heated, 3.00 cubic decimeter of carbon dioxide gas measured at RTP, room temperature and pressure, yeah, 3.00 cubic decimeter of carbon dioxide gas was released, right? And we are required to find the percentage yield of carbon dioxide. Looks interesting, isn't it? Okay, let's get going. First, of course, we have to write down the chemical equation, right? Yeah, right. And since they never asked to write the state symbol, we can ignore that. Yeah, so we have 2NaHCO3, right? That will give you your sodium Na2CO3, sodium carbonate. Yeah, thermal decomposition. Yeah, plus what? Your H2O, and of course, obviously your CO2. This is the one that we are interested. Yeah, to find percentage yield of carbon dioxide with respect to the given 42 gram of sodium hydrogen carbonate that is used. Okay, so from this balance equation, right, what are we going to do? Let me just put here 3, because maybe some of you may not get the actual picture, right? Na2CO3, sodium carbonate, right? Okay, so first, of course, we have the MR of sodium hydrogen carbonate, right? NaHCO3, sodium hydrogen carbonate. MR will be what? Sodium is 23 plus hydrogen 1, carbon 12, then 16 multiplied by 3. That will give you 84, right? 84, right? 84. The relative molecular mass of this sodium hydrogen carbonate is 84. Okay, fair enough. So we can see that, let me change color, yeah. Your this sodium hydrogen carbonate is 2 mole, correct? Producing 1 mole of carbon dioxide, right? So we have NaHCO3, right? They will give out the CO2, right? Under thermal decomposition. This is just I put double arrow, right, just to show you that this is not a chemical equation. Yeah, this is part of our calculation, right? And we know that in terms of the ratio will be 2 mole of this sodium hydrogen carbonate producing 1 mole of carbon dioxide, which is of course 1 mole is 24 cubic decimeter, right? Yeah, right. Okay, so in this case, in terms of mass, right, we know that the MR is 84, so it's 2 mole, that means 2 times 84, right? And for your carbon dioxide will be what? If you want to know, it's just 44, but this is not what we're interested in. We are interested in the volume percentage yield, right? Right, percentage yield of carbon dioxide, because they tell us that the question told us that is upon strongly heated 3 cubic decimeter of carbon dioxide gas was released, right? Okay, so in terms of mass, 2 times 84, and that will give you 44 gram of carbon dioxide. Okay, all right. So basically the actual yield, right, as you can see here, the actual yield will be how much? Actual yield we can get from here, right? We know that they only use 42 gram, right? 42 gram of sodium hydrogen carbonate. So in terms of that will give us the volume, right? So the actual yield will be 42 gram that they use out of this 2 multiplied by 84, right? Then you multiply by 24 cubic decimeter, right? That will give you 6 cubic decimeter, right? So obviously, we know that the question says they produce only 3 cubic decimeter of carbon dioxide gas. Therefore, we know that the 6 cubic decimeter is your actual yield. Actual yield will always be 100%, right? And they only yielded 3 cubic decimeter. Okay, so obviously it's 50%, isn't it? Yeah, not much of a calculation to do. Therefore, the percentage yield, right, will be equal to 50%. Yeah, that means okay lah, not so good, not so bad. It's supposed to yield 6 cubic decimeter, but in this case they only yielded 3 cubic decimeter. Okay, which is only percentage yield is 50%. All right, that's all big. All right, that's all. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye.